Today, let's chat about nicotine gum to help you quit smoking or vaping and discuss what it is and how to use it. Stay till the end where I'll share with you the easiest way to quit smoking without those lasting cravings. Many of you asked about how to reduce or eliminate those cravings when you quit smoking or vaping. So let's dive in and start with asking, what exactly is nicotine gum? But first, I'm not a doctor, so do your own research and take responsibility for your own choices. It is best to consult your doctor before taking any medications. The FDA approved the use of nicotine gum to help people stop smoking and vaping. It replaces some of the nicotine that you would have inhaled through smoking. You would chew the gum about every 2 hours to help you control withdrawal symptoms after quitting. How often and how much you use depends on how often you smoke during the day. I'll admit, nicotine gum is a better option than smoking as your body gets less nicotine, but it isn't the best option. I only recommend this to people who struggle a lot with withdrawal symptoms. It is better to use the gum than give up trying to quit. Here's a warning though, chewing the gum too fast or too often can cause dizziness and even vomiting. Okay, so let's move on. For best results, double check that you are starting on the right strength. There is a 2 milligram and a 4 milligram option. Read instructions, but on average, if you have to smoke your first cigarette of the day within 30 minutes of waking up, most probably start with a 4 milligram dose. You can later adjust the dosage. Use one piece of gum every 1 to 2 hours for the first 6 weeks when you quit smoking or vaping. The CDC suggests that you take a piece of gum before you get a craving to smoke. So on average, for the first 6 weeks, use about 9 pieces of gum per day. Just be aware that if you use the gum along with the patches, you might not need it as frequently. If you smoke 10 cigarettes or less per day, have a chat with your doctor first to discuss the right dosage for you. Now listen carefully. Do not eat or drink 15 minutes before or during use. You might affect the effectiveness of the gum. Another important point, this is not normal chewing gum. Use it correctly. I'll say it again. Read the instructions on how to chew it first. Best is to slowly bite into it until you feel a tingling in your mouth, and then hold it between your cheek and your gums. Allow the nicotine to be absorbed and repeat the process. Again, follow the instructions carefully. Like all medication, keep it out of reach of your children or pets. People misjudge the dangers, as we call it, gum. If you want to quit smoking without these withdrawal cravings, schedule a free call with me and let's have a chat about your goals and how I can help you achieve them. The link is down below. Remember, change requires action.